Hello and welcome to Element's overview of the Sony F3's new top and side plate. My name's Mark Ritchie. I'm a director, cinematographer, and I own a rental company. I also happen to own a few of these F3s personally. I've had great success over the last year with these cameras, shooting national commercials, television shows, music videos, live concerts. It's been a really great camera, and it just got a whole lot better. We got the side plate, top plate, and handle. They're peppered with 1/4, 20, and 3/8 threaded holes. This camera's been completely cinevised, and it's ready for just about anything that we can do to it on set. Whether you're mounting it to a car, a helicopter, a crane, underslung, you're bolting on cinetapes, viewfinders, small AC monitors. You know, now this camera has just maximum diversity to use it in such a way that we're used to on set. Really excited about that. It's been done really, really well. It's streamlined, doesn't get snagged, don't have things that I'm not using hanging off the side or back. You know, this camera has reached, I think, its maximum functionality. Okay, so now that we've taken a look at the functionality of the system, let's talk about installation. Element does require you to take this to a Sony authorized service center for two reasons. Number one, we want it done properly, and number two, we want to make sure that your warranty remains intact. Let's take a quick look at the work that's going to be performed. Obviously, there's going to be some electronics that are taken care of on the inside, but on the outside, for the most part, we're going to remove your viewfinder, the handle, and the mic attachment. That's going to all be gone. We are going to leave you access to your soft keys on top to allow you to navigate through your media. We're going to leave your vent intact so that the camera can keep itself cool, both on the front and back. We're going to remove the side panel and the zoom rocker. So all that's going. See you later. And what you're going to be left with is a nice streamlined ectoskeleton, ready to work, ready to accessorize. A couple quick things to take note of. We've left you a nice opening here on top, and I'll turn this around so you can get a better look at that. You can get your fingers in there. We've left you a nice opening on top so that you can navigate throughout all your soft keys. If you can see here as well, we've left the vents on the rear of the camera and front of the camera to keep the camera cool. And not only are these 3/8 and 1/4, 20 holes functional for accessories, they also allow the camera to vent more of that hot air and keep it working well within its operating temperature. Now, if you notice on the back of the camera here, when used as a two-part system, there is literally no space on where these mate together. The tolerance for the way this was engineered was so specific so that all the harmful elements on the outside didn't have a chance to get to your camera on the inside and do any damage or corrosion. The handle consists of the riser and two handles. You can use both handles at the same time or choose to use the rear or front handle depending on the load of your lens. Kind of dictate how you want to use it. You've got your 3/8 and 1/4, 20 holes throughout. Also, the handle's been bored out inside to accommodate a 19mm rod. That rod can be inserted through, locked down, and then again is an additional point for a multitude of accessories. All right, so there you have it. Elements, side plate, top plate, and handle. It's slick, it's sexy, and when we say body armor, we mean it. The system's going to add a lot of protection to your camera from the rigors of the set. We've taken a video camera, we've cinevised it, we've added mass functionality to it. You can take the accessories you already own, strap them on, or you can take the accessories from Element that already exist and they'll work seamlessly with it as well. You got a great system here. I hope you get to try it out. Thanks for your time. See you next time.